Today we have find out this sequence limit equals to 0. If it is 1 over n square n plus 1 ka square, then it is limit n tending to infinity, it gives you 0. But what is the sum of this terms limit? How do you find that the sum of this limit sequence to 0? Let us try. Let us take Sn is equals to 1 over n plus 1 ka whole square plus 1 over n plus 2 ka whole square plus and so on plus 1 over 2n ka whole square, right? Now we have know that Sn is greater than to 1 over 2n square, 1 over 2n square, 1 over 2n ka whole square and so on 1 over 2n ka whole square, right? If you take n, 1 is n, 2 is n, 3 is n, so this makes 2n ka whole square, this makes 2n ka whole square, this makes 2n ka whole square, and the sum of these 2n's is always, Sn is always greater than to these sum of these 2n ka whole square, right? So these are n terms, so n upon 2n ka whole square which is less than to Sn, right? Now in the reciprocal we know that Sn is less than 2. If you take first term n plus 1 ka whole square, this is also n plus 1 ka whole square, this is also and so on n plus 1 ka whole square, right? So these are the sums of n plus 1 terms, n terms, right? This gives you n upon n plus 1 ka whole square, right? Sn is less than to n upon n plus 1 ka whole square. So this implies that Sn is in between n upon 2n square to n upon n plus 1 ka whole square. Taking limit both sides and tending to infinity, when we take limit of this, n to n cancel out, which makes 1 over 2n ka whole 2n is makes 1 over 4n, right? And this is 1 over 1 plus n 1 over n ka whole square, right? This makes it 0 and this is also make it 0 after taking limit. So this implies that limit of Sn is equals to 0.